Went back to the cattle farm last night. Had 50 rats. They were a little bit shy, probably after the previous night's heavy shooting. Still some good action though, still enjoyed it. Stayed up there a couple of hours into dark. So here's the clips of that night. Hope you enjoy. It did take them a while to start venturing out after dark, but first one came out there and didn't shoot this position the night before, nor this one. Came off the bank. Quite a lot of holes up there. That one did actually die down by the bottom. Then back into the shed, which I shot the previous night. Again, this bit really did surprise me, because in this shed it was heaving the night before, you saw in the videos. The next night, hardly anything. In this shot, I've had a few questions about if the Hades are any good. I think this answers the question. Watch the amount of blood. Watch it drip down there. So I think that answers the question about the Hades penetration and what kind of impact it does give. These next two shots were actually in the silage pit. I was shooting at an angle straight down. First one, he got hit, and then shortly after his mate appeared to see what had happened, see what the commotion was, and he stayed there just too long. And the Oscar nomination goes to Roger the Rat for this dramatic dying scene. When I watched this video back, I was quite surprised how slowly it went down. This next clip, the reason why it's reading 1,640 yards is due to it actually being that close. The ABL rangefinder wouldn't range it. It said INF in the corner, which means it can't read it. It was too close. So that was under 5 yards. This next shot, the cow actually looks a lot closer than it actually was because of the angle. But again, I was confident in the shot, confident in the kit, so I knew I could take it.
Take him.
Spotted this next one on the thermal. Just goes to show what having the thermal can do. I don't think I'd have spotted him otherwise. Knew where his head was from his eye shine, so I took the shot. This shot, I saw this rat, had its back to me, perfect line of entry to heart and lung. So I took it, and as you can see, a couple of gasps and expired quite quickly. Yeah, no more. This is the last shot of the night. Again, on my way back to the car. Couldn't resist this, so had to take it. Nice clean kill, straight down. Well, I hope you enjoyed. I won't be going up this far for about another week. I'm going to let it settle down and get the confidence back up. I will be going back to the pig farm sometime over the weekend. So I haven't been up there for a week now. So hopefully they've become more confident up there, and I'll be able to release another video soon with some numbers from the pig farm. Hope you enjoyed. Stay safe. Keep watching.